Are you wondering how to add custom fields in TeamGate CRM and make it work for your unique business needs? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll show you how to do it quickly, and I'll also introduce you to some alternatives that might just offer more for your CRM goals. Let's dive right in. To start off, adding custom fields in TeamGate CRM is an excellent way to tailor the platform to fit your business operations more precisely. Whether you're tracking specific customer data, custom metrics, or additional details about your deals, custom fields help you capture that important information and keep everything organized. Let me walk you through it step by step. First thing, to add custom fields, you need to go into your TeamGate settings. Look for the Fields section under the Deals tab. This is where you'll manage everything related to data tracking in your CRM. You'll notice an option that says Add Field, click that, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of field you want to create. Next thing, TeamGate CRM offers a variety of field types, from text boxes to drop-down lists, and even date selectors. It's important to pick the right field type for the data you're tracking. If you're collecting numerical data, for example, a number field would be the best fit. If you need a list of choices, use the drop-down option. This ensures you capture the data in the right format, making it easy to analyze later. Now, the third thing, once you've chosen the field type, you can customize the field label. This is what the users will see when they're entering data. You can name your fields anything that makes sense for your business. Be clear with your labels, so your team knows exactly what information is expected. The fourth thing to note is that you can also set the field as either required or optional. This gives you control over how strict your data collection process is. If a certain piece of information is crucial for your sales process or customer management, make it a required field. But if it's something you just need occasionally, you can leave it optional. Moving on, once you're happy with your custom fields, don't forget to hit the Save button. You'll now see those fields appear in the relevant sections of TeamGate CRM, making it easier for your team to input the data they need, exactly where they need it. Now, let's talk about the limitations. While TeamGate CRM does a solid job of offering customization, there are some areas where it falls short. For example, if you need highly advanced automation or deeper integrations with other business tools, TeamGate's features can feel a bit limiting. And if you're working with a larger team or require more complex reporting features, you might find the platform a bit basic. That leads me to the next thing. If you're looking for a CRM with more customization options, including advanced integrations and reporting, you might want to check out other platforms. Some CRMs offer much better flexibility when it comes to custom fields and have additional features that make them more suitable for specific business goals. To wrap it up, I mentioned that I give you access to a free trial of TeamGate CRM, but I'm also introducing some amazing alternatives. These CRM platforms not only have custom field capabilities, but come with better reporting, automation, and integrations ideal for businesses that need more advanced features. So, through the link below, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits for TeamGate CRM, but I also encourage you to check out those alternatives. They come with their own free trials, and you might find they're a better fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click that link in the description to grab your exclusive trial and explore all the best CRM options available.